Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Tech Insight, the only place where you find daily IT jobs, programming languages, IT news, and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to remain updated. So let's try a video on daily job updates. So the very first job is from F5. They are hiring software engineer in Python automation with cloud, and it is for the location Hyderabad. So the qualification requirement is 1 to 3 years of related experience with bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, computers or equivalent, excellent organizational agility and interpersonal skills throughout the organization, ability to work for flexible hours, for better collaborations and international teams. So the experience requirement is you should be having experience in automation using REST, Python, build systems, experience in designing and developing enterprise grade infrastructure automation, and you should be understanding L6, L7 protocols, understanding IPsec, SSL, VPN, DNet, SNet, etc. And you should be having experience on Git, Jenkins. These are the building tools. So the second job is from Verizon. They are hiring software developers for the location Hyderabad. So you should be doing over here is developing highly efficient and reliable application, developing applications with front end and back end technologies, developing secure and robust code which are non-vulnerable, executing full software development lifecycle, ensuring applications development sprint cycle is on track, and adjusting the plan to realize the timelines. So what you will need is you should be having a bachelor's degree or one more of years of experience. That means freshers can apply. Excellent communication skills, ability to work in business requirements, strong analytical skills. So the third job is from IBM. They are hiring associate technical engineer. Here you can read out the roles and responsibilities. I'll be quickly reading out the eligibility requirement. That is, you should be having BTech, BE or MCA in computer science engineering, information technology, software engineering, electrical and communications engineering, and all the major branches are mentioned over here. The responsibilities it includes is an enriching platform to implement your academic learning in real-time situations, acquire new skills, more significantly help you make a difference. Will demonstrate interpersonal skills while operating with large teams that works closely with clients across pan India. So these all things you can read it out over here. It is for technical engineer. So these are the required technical and professional skills. So the proven technical skill for support skills, you should be working in an agile environment, proven analytical skills, intuitive individual and ability skills, and that's all. So moving on to the other job, that is from Cone. They are hiring engineer, graduate engineer trainee in embedded testing R&D. It is for the location Chennai. So they are expecting experience in electrical and electronics control system, experience of manual software testing and testing tools like Quality Center and JAMA, experience on agile methods, good written and verbal communication skills, ability to work independently, good English, good analytics, 2 to 3 years of experience in embedded software manual software testing for engineering positions, 0 to 1 years BE Electrical Electronics or BE EC MTech Power Electronics, and you should be having CGPS 7.0. So if you are having an experience of PLC, that will be an advantage. So again, freshers can apply for this job. Now the another job is from Winfo Solutions. They are hiring trainee software engineer. It is for the location Hyderabad and the package is 2,40,000. Eligibility criteria includes 2019 and 2020 pass outs, BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA, CSIT electronics related branches, 60% or 6 CGPA throughout academics, and you should be having a good PH score. That means it is being organized by eLitmus. So the requirement includes good programming skills in any of the language mentioned over here, such as C, Java, PLSQL, etc. Have an ability to plan, organize, structure work, excellent communication skills. They have a service agreement which says that candidates willing to commit for a minimum period of 24 months tenure, including probation periods, need only apply. If you are staying for 24 months, then only you need to apply, otherwise there is a bond for it. There will be a service bond of 3 lakhs as bond amount of this tenure. That means if you are leaving a company before 24 months, then you need to pay a bond of 3 lakhs per annum. So make sure before you apply this. Now the another job is from Intuit. They are hiring software engineer full time, and this is a campus hiring, and it is for the location Bangalore. So overview, you can read it out over here. A passion for developing quality software understanding, work closely with multiple product development teams to score, learn, design and implement the high quality code, involvement in writing software and unit test cases, working closely with engineer management, and that's all. So it's a campus recruitment. So I have given the link, all the link in the description. You can check out in which campus they are coming, and according to that you can apply. And for your kind information, this is a Fortune 100 best companies to work for. Another job is from from Unisys. They are hiring service desk associate for international voice support. Skills requirement is before that you can see the location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The skill includes minimum 1 year of experience working in IT company, service help desk or help desk. Key skills include excellent verbal and written communication skills, good knowledge on operating system, hardware networking, MS application, good knowledge of Microsoft Service suite such as Word, Excel, Outlook, multitasking, coordination skills, excellent judgment skill to be able to properly evaluate situations, willingness or the ability to work in shift. These are some of the things they have mentioned it. A minimum of high school degree or equivalent with English as primary language, education, training or relevant experience to the completion of the service certificate course or any relevant experience in information IT service development to a tertiary level. That means you should be a graduate and your primary language should be in English, and if you are having any experience working out somewhere in educating or any training center, then you can apply for this job. Now the another job is from Synopsys. They are hiring R&D engineer or R&D intern job. It is for the location Noida, and the job and requirements include at Synopsys we are at the heart of innovating that change the way we work and play. Self-driving cars, artificial intelligence, the cloud, 5G, Internet of Things, these are the technologies they have included. So key qualifications include bachelor's of master's degree in computer science, electrical engineering from a reputed university or institution, proficient in C, C++, Unix, Linux environment and tools, expertise in data structures and algorithm, good programming, analytical and problem solving skills. So these are some of the jobs that includes both for freshers and experienced person. I used to come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.